Estate planning is a crucial process that involves managing and distributing your assets after your death. A key component of estate planning is a will, which is a legal document that outlines your wishes for how your property and assets should be handled. To create a will, start by identifying your assets, including real estate, vehicles, investments, and personal property. Next, determine who you want to inherit these assets, including family members, friends, or charitable organizations. You will also need to choose an executor, who will be responsible for carrying out the instructions in your will. A will typically includes several key elements, including a list of your assets, a list of your beneficiaries, and instructions for how you want your assets to be distributed. You may also want to include provisions for the care of minor children or pets, as well as any specific funeral or burial instructions. It is essential to note that a will only covers assets that are in your name alone. If you have joint assets, such as a joint bank account or property held in joint tenancy, these assets will automatically pass to the surviving owner, regardless of what your will says. To make your will valid, you will need to sign it in the presence of witnesses, who will also sign the document. The number of required witnesses varies by state, so it is essential to check your local laws. It is also a good idea to have your will notarized, which can help to prevent disputes over its validity. Once you have created your will, store it in a safe place, such as a fireproof safe or a safe deposit box. Let your executor and beneficiaries know where the will is located, so they can access it when needed. Review and update your will periodically, especially if your assets or beneficiaries change. By following these steps and creating a will, you can ensure that your wishes are respected and your loved ones are protected after your death. Remember, estate planning is an ongoing process, and it is essential to review and update your will regularly to reflect any changes in your life.